Here we are in a 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. Hopefully you can see that screen. Can you see that? So I get a lot of customers that ask me, hey, when I get out of my vehicle and I leave my key inside my vehicle and the horn honks at me, can I turn that off? Yes, you can. We can turn that off, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So, super easy. We're going to get to our home screen here. We're going to go to settings. We're going to come over to vehicle. We're going to scroll down. It's already there, but we'd scroll down until you find remote lock, unlock, and start. Come all the way to the bottom. Remote left in vehicle alert. We have a lot of hunters that ask, how to turn this off, because I've had it happen. It actually happened to me with my new truck. I get to my my spot I'm gonna go hunt. It's early in the morning. I just got out. I had the key on the center console here, and I just got out to go to the back seat, and I shut the driver door, and what does it do? It honks 3 times. It's 5:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, and I just woke up the whole woods. Not fun. If you want to leave it on, you can just make sure that it's on here, and then we can come back just right here to the home screen. It'll take us back to our home screen. So that is how you turn off your remote left in vehicle alert, so it doesn't honk at you when you get out of your vehicle. If you like these helpful videos and tutorials to navigate your vehicle, please hit the like button and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification so you know when I post a new video. And if there's anything that you have questions on, as far as how do I turn this on, how do I turn this off, how can I collapse my mirrors with my remote? Didn't know it could do that, did you? Well, we will show you. But if you have any questions like that, shoot me a message or leave a comment, and I will post a video. Make sure to check back for it. Thanks, guys.